You've made it to the end of this section of the course, where you've learned all about the third pillar of social media marketing, listening and engagement. We've explored what social listening is and how it can help you understand the social media sentiment around your brand, engage your customers, and increase your customer acquisitions. You've learned some social listening tactics, such as locating where people are talking about you and what they're saying, assessing your competition, and choosing a tool to help you in the process. We've also discussed some ways to engage your social media audience and gain followers. You learned that responding to comments quickly and authentically provides excellent customer service. Getting to know your audience and creating valuable and creative content can help boost your social media engagement. You've also discovered some specific strategies for growing your followers on Twitter, including tweeting often, using hashtags effectively, and posting attention-grabbing visuals. You've learned that to write effectively for social media, it helps to research and write to your target audience. Speak like them and include a call to action at the end of your posts. You also understand why it's important to develop a social media brand voice and how you can start to develop this voice by defining your brand's personality, finding the appropriate tone for different posts, and creating brand voice guidelines. Finally, you've learned that social media marketers repurpose a lot of existing content to save time and increase their reach. And we've discussed a few ways to do this. When you're new to marketing on social media listening and engaging with your audience can teach you a lot about your brand. They give you the opportunity to experience your brand from your audience point of view, which can help you create content that is more valuable to them. Amazing job! Up next, we'll get into the next pillar of social media marketing, analytics and reporting.